Welcome everybody, this is Zesta Herbal Soap Skincare and Lifestyle. Today I'll be showing you a very simple formula on how to get a very smooth soap from your laundry soap. This is an example of how the soap will come out. Although this was a rebatch that I made from the same soap, but this is to show you how smooth the soap will come out. If this is the rebatch and the rebatch is smooth, you can see it up close. This is the rebatch. See how smooth it is. Then you can imagine how the original soap would be like. So I'll be showing you the recipe. What I'll advise you to do anytime you have any new batch of chemicals or oils is to make a small batch test first, which is what we've done. And now we've already arranged our working tools, our chemicals, our oils. Everything has been arranged. We are using 8 liters of PKO and 2 liters of vegetable oil. Note that in this recipe we are not using palm oil, we are not using tallow. That's because palm oil and tallow give you a very hard bar of soap, and we want soap that is smooth and soft so that it will be able to come out of the turning machine easily. Okay, so we've already poured in our caustic soda and our soda ash. Mind you, this kettle is a cooking kettle. So it is a cooking kettle. It has heat and under, it's hot under. Okay, it has gas under, and then on top it is turning. So after we've added our sodium, we have added our soda ash, we now add our sodium silicate to make it a bit hard. Remember, we are using soft oils. Even though our PKO is like a hard oil now, they will now put in our sodium sulfate, we put in our silicate, and then lastly we pour in our perfume. You allow it to cook. How you know it's cooked is that the color will change. It will become more glossy. Okay, you can now open it up and pour into your mold. When you pour it into your mold, since it's hot process, there's no need to cover it up. Okay, you just keep it in a cool place, allow it to cool down away from the sun. By the next day it will be hard. Then you now cut it into your desired shape. Okay? So guys, sorry for my voice. I've had a little bit of flu, but I'm getting better. Okay, so if you have any questions, you can ask. This is a very simple recipe that will give you good quality soap. Okay, thank you very much. If you've not subscribed to our channel, please do so. If you're a visitor, you're welcome. If you're an old subscriber, thank you for still watching our videos. Thank you for stopping by. Okay, if there are any questions you have, feel free to ask. This is Zesta Herbal Soap Skincare and Lifestyle. I love you all. Bye. Yes, yeah, the soap is beautiful. Where's that cover? Cover it.
Is what?
So this one is 850.
So very powerful.
Yeah,
Transform.
4 that surface, next time you use it.
It has inside your.
Yes. You just do the few minutes for the same thing. Press. This one now will be a problem.
Your madam, you know.
Very angry.
Wow.
This will be a good one.
Remove this thing now.
It's not reach. The leather here did not reach.
This one will affect
Lucky
you.
like
So, anyway, next time you do it. Yes.
Madam, this color is really color for this for market.
Yes.
Mojerini. Exactly, Mojerini.
If you use commercial color, you can never get it.